Okay, so my life-size pirates came today. The ones from Home Depot. I'm gonna open them. This box is pretty big, so I'm pretty glad they gave me free shipping on it. I wanted to read a box inside a box. Oh, no. Oh, it's just in this box right here. It might have been a store display then, because there's no... Look at that. The instructions are right here on the lid. What the heck? That's weird. So now I guess I'll set them up. This is strange though. They didn't come in a box like this last year. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm gonna set them up on video, on camera. Yeah, I think this might have been the store display because there's no art on the box or anything. Yeah, there's the standing one's legs. Oh, and I see how that works. The 2 try me buttons came with them. Oh my gosh. Hey, what the heck? They're harness try me buttons. So they will only work on these pirates. Okay, how am I supposed to get that? Here's the pull for the barrel. I guess this is the bottom half of the barrel. No, yeah, it is the bottom half. Where's the one that stands? I think it's this one right here. Yeah, it is. Okay. This is weird. Are there any snap locks on this side? This one's set up now, kind of. Oh my gosh. It actually came with try buttons, so that's amazing. Here's the old harness style try buttons. This one looks really cool. I can look through this telescope. Don't turn them on.
Oh. Jack, you scallywags. I used to be the greatest pirate of the high seas. I did it all. I captured treasures and fought enemy ships.
That's neat. So there's that pull goes on there. And then this one, I heard it was kind of difficult to get this thing on, so. I did not expect them to come today. difficult. Okay, I got it. And then this one just goes. Wow, that's cool. Okay, this one goes to the. Oh my gosh, these guys are so cool. There's this one right here. You can't even see the freaking pirates.
Sharks can feast on your blood and metal. Now, let me warn you. This is my treasure proof state. I'll cut you to pieces, and I'll drink to your
Very well worth the price. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.